Black Gold, Temptation of Wall Street. Episode 7, The Scalping Master, turning $5,000 into $800,000 in just 4 months. Market overview and strategy discussion. The screens in the high-rise penthouse flicker with live market datas and P500 futures, Bitcoin, Tesla, NVIDIA, and the VIX, all fluctuating wildly. The atmosphere is thick with tension, the city skyline glowing through the floor-to-ceiling windows. The discussion begins with an analysis of the volatile market conditions. The S&P 500 is showing erratic movements, tech stocks are experiencing massive swings, and cryptocurrencies are facing heavy liquidation events. It is a trader's paradise and a gambler's nightmare. Market veterans know one truth: volatility is an opportunity. Those who hesitate get crushed, while those who understand price action, volume, and momentum can exploit every minute movement. Tonight's episode is about one man who mastered the art of scalping, executing hundreds of trades a day, holding no positions overnight, and extracting profits from the tiniest price fluctuations. This is the story of Scalping Master Lee, the man who turned $5,000 into $800,000 in just 4 months. Chapter 1: The Relentless Scalper's Journey. Lee was no ordinary trader. He didn't hold positions for days, weeks, or even hours. His trades lasted seconds to minutes, executed with laser precision. Originally a struggling retail trader, Lee's early years in the market were brutal. He blew up 3 accounts before he discovered scalping, a technique where traders capitalize on small price movements by making high-frequency trades. With just $5,000, Lee committed to a grueling routine. Wake up at 3:30 a.m. to analyze pre-market movements. Trade the open from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., where volatility peaks. Trade again from 2:30 p.m. to close, targeting liquidity spikes. Review every trade post-market, identifying patterns and execution errors. His philosophy: never hold overnight, never chase, never hope, just execute. Chapter 2: The Scalping Strategy That Defied the Odds. Lee's method wasn't luck, it was scientific execution based on strict risk management and algorithmic discipline. 1. Stock selection. He focused on high volatility stocks like Tesla, TSLA, NVIDIA, NVDA, and AMD, which exhibited massive intraday swings. He avoided low-volume stocks and illiquid assets where slippage could be fatal. 2. Trade execution. 100-plus trades per session, each lasting 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Risk per trade: 0.5% of total capital. Win rate: 62%, but with a strict risk-reward ratio of 1:2. 3. Buy in the morning, sell in the afternoon. Lee often bought in the first 30 minutes of market open, when price discovery created the most momentum. He would exit before noon and re-enter for the power hour rally at 3 p.m., ensuring maximum liquidity. 4. Momentum scalping and VWAP strategy. Used volume-weighted average price VWAP to determine whether to enter long or short. If the price was above VWAP and increasing in volume, he went long; if below VWAP with selling pressure, he went short. 5. Leveraging market psychology. When retail traders panic sold, Lee scalped long. When they FOMO bought, he scalped short, capitalizing on emotional extremes. Through sheer discipline, his $5,000 account exploded to $50,000 in 2 months. But he wasn't done yet. Chapter 3: The Turning Point. From $50,000 to $800,000. Lee's breakthrough came when he scaled his position sizes while keeping his risk constant. Instead of trading 10 shares per position, he moved to 100, then 500, then 1,000 shares per trade, following the exact same strategy. His biggest gains came from 3 back-to-back winning trades. 1. Tesla TSLA, October 15. Bought $245 at 9:35 a.m., sold $248 at 9:50 a.m. Profit: $3,000 in 15 minutes. 2. NVIDIA NVDA, November 2. Shorted $480, covered at $474. Profit: $5,500 in 7 minutes. 3. SPY S&P 500 ETF, December 5. Scalped 10 round-trip trades in a single session. Daily gain: $12,000. By the end of 4 months, his account had skyrocketed to $800,000, not through risky bets but through strict execution, emotionless trading, and algorithmic precision. Chapter 4: The Final Lesson. Discipline over everything. Despite his staggering returns, Lee never got greedy. Unlike many who win big and then lose it all, he withdrew 80% of his profits, securing financial stability. Lee knew the market was ruthless. He had seen traders go from riches to rags in a single bad day. Instead of risking it all, he set aside capital for his future, invested in real estate and diversified income streams, and continued trading only with house money. Today, he teaches scalping strategies to aspiring traders, emphasizing that trading isn't about being right, it's about executing with discipline. His story proves that anyone with a small account, the right strategy, and an iron mindset can defy the odds and win big on Wall Street. Next episode preview: The Ultimate Trading Psychology, How to Conquer Fear and Greed. Next time, we dive deep into the psychology of trading, why most traders fail, how fear and greed sabotage decision making, and the secrets of staying mentally resilient in high stakes trading. Hit subscribe and join the battle on Wall Street.